hope you're having an amazing day. So as you saw from the title of this video, today I'm going to be presenting 15 products. These are my 15 must-have drugstore products that I recommend you pick up because they're really amazing. So if you're interested, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Profusion Pro Contour Kit, and it comes with 6 products in here. And this is really amazing. I always talk about this. It's really inexpensive. It's only like $5. I got it at my Five Below, but it's so amazing. I did use the contour shades today, and it's just super quick and easy, and the formula is really soft and silky, and it just kind of glides on and blends out on its own. And then these 2 shades, I always use 2 semi under eyes, and it's really amazing. Definitely recommend you pick up. Five Below is still selling stuff online, but yeah, really amazing. Definitely recommend, or even like on the Profusion website. It's so nice, and then the packaging is so cute. Yeah, this is definitely a top recommend on my list. It's really amazing. Definitely use it all the time, and this is gonna last me forever. So the next 2 things are from EBIN New York, and this one here is a 24-hour brow pencil, and this one's in natural black, and it's a really good formula. I love this pencil, and it has like a brow hair on it, but this is how it looks. It's like a little oval shape, and it's really good. It's really perfect for my brows. I really enjoy it. That's a shade right there. This is natural black. I just love how my brows look when I use it. It's super quick and easy to just throw on and go. I really enjoy it. Definitely recommend. I believe this one retails for $6.25. Really great. Definitely one that I recommend. It's really amazing. Thing from EBIN New York is this 24-hour liquid liner, and this one that I'm wearing today, and this one's really black. I love the shape of the applicator, and it's really black. I really enjoy this one as well. I believe it retails for the same price. I always use this one. I did film this look for a palette bingo, so that's going to be coming in one of the Sundays coming up. I believe it's episode 9, but this one's definitely one that I recommend. It's super black, super easy to use, and I love it. I love reaching for it. I need to buy like 5 backups. Okay, the next product here is by e.l.f., and this is the Poreless face primer, and I really enjoy this. I definitely love this more than the putty primer. I'm almost out of the putty primer. I'm not going to repurchase. I'm just going to keep buying this. This does retail for $6, and it is cheaper than the putty primer. I really enjoy it. It's super silky and soft on the skin. Definitely recommend you pick it up. A lot of these products I did mention in my 10-second review video, and this is one of them that I mentioned. This is the LA Colors loose setting powder, and this one's in medium translucent. This one's so amazing. I use it today as well. It just does really great with setting the skin. It just sets it really amazingly, and this is one that I'm trying to pan and trying to get out of my collection, but I definitely want to buy another one because this does last forever, and it only retails for like $3. Definitely recommend you pick up. Check this out. They have like 3 shades, I believe, but this one's really amazing, and it just, I love how it leaves the skin. It's really great. The next 2 products are from Jade, and these are the Prismatic Chrome Eye Mousse shadows, and this one here is in Champagne Whiz. As you can see, I hit pan on it right there. I really enjoy the shade. This one is in Chrome Galaxy, and it's just a gorgeous like peachy tone. These are so beautiful, and these are also some that I mentioned in my 10-second review video if you watched it. Really amazing. Definitely recommend. They're super soft and bouncy and super amazing and shiny on the lid. So amazing. I do want to use these in a upcoming video so you guys can see just how amazing they are. I've used them before. I believe this pink one, I used it in my 99-cent store video where I bought a bunch of makeup and I put it on my face. I have it down below, and it's just so amazing and beautiful. Next product is by Beauty Creations, and this is the Coconut Setting Spray. This is one that I've been using in a lot of my videos because it's just so nice. The spray is really like soft and gentle, opposed to the e.l.f. setting spray, which I've been using, and it's just not it. Like, it's just not good. It like it's like attacking your face. This one's really soft mist. I really enjoy it. It dries out super quick, and it's really good. I really enjoy it, and it smells really good. Another one that I recommend. Next product is a eyeshadow palette, and this is the Colors Story Mirage palette. This is one that you can find at Target. It comes with the mirror and all of these beautiful shades here. I've used this in quite a few videos already. I love using it for the blues in this palette. The shimmers are really nice, and I did do a sapphire look using this shade here. It's just a really nice palette, and I love how there's a variety of like colorful shades and also like everyday kind of shades. It's a nice color story, and this does retail for $9.99. The packaging is so adorable as well, and it comes with the mirror. Like I mentioned, it's super like sleek, and these are the shades back here. It's really nice. I really enjoy it. Definitely one that I recommend if you were looking for something at the drugstore. It's really, really beautiful, and this is the only color story that really calls to me. The other ones that they have a bunch of palettes that kind of look like this, different versions, different color stories, but this is the one that I would pick out of all of them, and I did. I just don't like the other color stories. I feel like they're kind of boring, but this one doesn't disappoint, and the formulation is also really amazing. I love color story palettes, and I do want to purchase more. It's just really nice. Definitely recommend. If you've been thinking about it, you should pick it up. It's really, really nice, and you won't be disappointed. Next things are by Saraya Jade, and it's 2 liquid lipsticks. The first one is in Lydia, and this is the beautiful pink shade, and a red, which is Sweet Saraya. I'm gonna swatch them. I've swatched them before. I always rave about these on my channel. They're super lightweight and easy to apply, and they're super pigmented. This one in particular is my favorite. I do own 3 of them. The other one's just a little light, so that's not one of my favorites. And then the Sweet Saraya is a beautiful, beautiful red. I just really recommend these to everyone because they're just so nice. I believe these retail for like $8 at Hot Topic, but on their website they are a little higher in price, so I suggest you pick them up on the Hot Topic website. Those are the shades there. It's just so gorgeous, and the formula is so soft and easy to apply and lasts all day. Not to mention they're not like super drying on the lips, and they're really comfortable. Like, I look for comfort when I look for like liquid lipsticks. A lot of my liquid lipsticks are super cheap and they dry on my lips like really bad, but these like are so easy to apply, and you can reapply. So throughout the day, like let's say you've been eating or whatever, and it goes on super nice, and it's just lightweight. I really enjoy it, and it doesn't get clumpy when you reapply. This is definitely one that I will keep raving about. I love these. Definitely recommend everyone try them. The formula is amazing, not to mention the packaging is so cute, and they do have various shades as well. Really, really nice. This one's my favorite. I always get compliments on Lydia. It's just this gorgeous pink, and it's beautiful for like any type of look, and it just works, and they're just really, really great. Definitely recommend these. Next things I should have mentioned in the beginning as well, but I forgot. These are the EBIN lip liners / eyeliners, and these are so inexpensive. These retail for like $129. My favorite one out of all of them is this one, and this one's in taupe, like everyday kind of shade. I'm gonna swatch them so you can see. That's taupe right there. A beautiful like mauve type nude. I really enjoy using this for like all types of lips and like nude lips and stuff, and this is the one that I'm wearing under this combo right now. The next one here is in the shade burgundy red, another gorgeous shade, and I like using this with all of my burgundy lips. And what I love about these is that they're retractable, so you don't have to sharpen, which is amazing, and they're super inexpensive. The next one here is in brunette right there. Beautiful brown shade, and some of them you could also use on your as an eyeliner, and they even say like auto lip liner and eyeliner, like this one here, so you could use that as an eyeliner as well, which is really great. And this is one that I haven't really used, but I'm gonna start using with my purple lipstick that I showed you guys in my lipstick collection. If you haven't watched it, I'll have it down below, but this is the one in purple, and I bought this specifically to use with that purple lipstick that's like glossy that I talked about, and that's it right there. These are just so good, and they don't like tug on your lips super hard. They're pigmented and they're super cheap, which is my favorite part. I really enjoy EBIN New York. They have a lot of great products, and their lip liners are definitely the ones that I recommend. You don't need a sharpener, they just come out, they're retractable. Really great, super inexpensive, and super pigmented. Definitely recommend these. So now it's a liquid lipstick. This is the H&M Velvet Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Sunstone. This is one that I always recommend because it's such a beautiful tone and it's so comfortable, and it definitely is a lip cream. This is the shade there. Also really inexpensive. It's still available on the H&M website. It's just really, really great. It goes with every look. I love using this. It's just a really beautiful shade, especially if you have like my type of skin tone. I feel like this is a beautiful nude. Next thing here is by Italia Deluxe. This is a mist metal Glitter Shock liquid shadow, and this one's in Nude in Ibiza. This is one that I spoke about in my 10-second reviews as well, and it's just a gorgeous like Stila dupe. The packaging is kind of the same and so gorgeous on the eyes. I definitely recommend these 100%. These are really, really great. I love applying them with my finger. I just go on and tap it on and it's just gorgeous. So this is definitely one that you should check out, and the formulation is great. The price is great. These only retail for like $2 and they have such a great shade range. I want to pick up more of these as well. They're just gorgeous and beautiful on the lid. Next ones here are some LA Colors Auto Eyeliner, and I picked mine up at my local Dollar Tree. I have 3 of them here, and the first one is in black. These are also retractable. That's like my favorite quality of products. They have to be retractable because I don't like to sharpen. And that's the black one there. I always use these on my waterline, to tight line. This is in navy. And I did use this one for my Ravenclaw look. And the last one here is in black brown. These are super inexpensive. They're only like $1. Super pigmented, easy, glides on the eye. They're really amazing. They definitely make an impact. I did use it down here. I tightline with it in the shade black today. It's just really great, and I always recommend people try these out because you don't need to break the bank to get an eyeliner that works. And they're retractable, easy to use, and they're only $1, so yeah. I have 2 more products. This one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this is a mascara that I always rave about. It's so amazing. I love the wand. It's like an hourglass shape. I haven't opened this one because I still have another mascara open, but this one's definitely the one that I recommend. It's my top mascara. If you've seen my ranking mascaras video, amazing. Definitely recommend you check this out, especially if you're a makeup beginner. This is amazing and super inexpensive. It's like $9.99. Definitely check it out. It's really, really great, and I can't wait to open it. I'm almost done with my other mascara, but this is always going to be my top one. Okay, so now that my family decided to stop talking, so yeah, I don't enjoy the waterproof version. It's just really, really hard to remove from, why do I keep saying really? It's hard to remove from your lashes. I just don't like it. And I remember I used to so hard try to take off the mascara with the water and soap and stuff, but this one's one that I really enjoy in Blackest Black. Definitely recommend this one. Check it out. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Finally, we made it to the last product. This is the City Color Sparkle and Shine glitter adhesive. This is the one that I used today for this glitter. It's really good and super inexpensive. I believe it's only like $1 or $2. It's really great. It comes with this like applicator here, like that, and it's just easy to throw on, and the glitter stays on for a long time. I don't feel like the glitter falls onto my face or anything. Definitely recommend you check this out. Super inexpensive. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about today is going to be down below with the names and the prices, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week, so you could check those out. Everything is down there in the description box below. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Sunday now, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds. Right now I'm doing my palette lottery, which is when I pick any random palette from my collection. I take pictures, swatches, upload it on my Instagram, and give a review on it. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and head there. And it would be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.